one.
So. Yeah, punya yang babak kan. No. But the thinking the whole lot before we can get.
Oh, he's talking. There's the egg. Oh, hey. Now send the fish.
Too amazing.
Okay, now let me see if they're warm for you. Okay, now.
Really deep. Really deep. This one dug went down really deep. There he is. There's one here in this hole, so. You can see the little chamber that it makes right here. You can dig that all the way and try to get to that cocoon where the fish is actually at. There he's coming to it right there. Do you hear the fish making noise? Pull this fish out. Now this is a bigger one. And there is the mudfish.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. There he is. Hey, fine.